Hey guys, today's I just want to cover fetch versus pull. This is the very important topic of Git and what is the difference between them, when to use when. Okay, so let me use my this whiteboard. Okay, so normally what happen, we have a repository over here, which is a online repository, and let's suppose then there is a one developer who is developing the code over here. Okay, now this is the remote repository, that's one copy. So once a developer is working on a Git, it has a basically the three copy of it. Okay, what are these three? First one, which is the local Git repository, which is equivalent to, you can think of Git commit with a Git commit, where you should use the user has a Git commit and all those things. One where he is working and but it's not committed yet, and third one is a replica of the remote repository. Okay, now we'll try to understand what is the difference between them. Okay, so git pull is something is that when you are issuing a git pull command, what happens, it just pull up all of your code from the remote repository. And suppose there are the many other developers as well who has pushed code over here now, and you have written some code over here, then the other developers code will get merged automatically and produce another merged code, which could create a serious conflict. Okay, that might have an issue while you are running the code in your local system. So it's basically recommended that you first do the git fetch. Okay, if we are using the git fetch, okay, what it does, it just pull up all the code to your repository, but it don't do a automatic merge. Okay, if you issue a differentiate command, then you can recognize what is the difference or what the changes has been already being there over the server before pushing to the merge. It doesn't affect any of the your local development that you are doing it over here. Let's go to and see some other pictorial diagram. Okay, let's open up it up. Okay, so this is the basic cycle. Okay, when you are seeing this is your local repository. Okay, this is your remote repository, and once you are pushing it, it's going to push. Okay, and if you are doing git pull or push, it's basically pulling up from remote, and it's just automatically going to merge in your workspace. Okay, and this is your local. If you are doing get fetch only, it is be available to your repository, but it will not get merged. If you are going to check out or get diff ahead, these are the differentiation. So all these command will help you to in your workspace. It will not get automatically merged. So that's pretty much all about git pull versus git fetch. If you have any question regarding this, just post it into the YouTube comment section. I'll try to reply it back as soon as possible. Thank you very much.